Today we are going to create extra storage. I'm going to show you how easy it is to notch out this sheetrock. I got a special tool. You can call it my lightsaber. Actually, it's just a Dremel tool. Easily notched it out quickly. It was like that. Keep watching this video and I'll show you. Eugene Segovia over here with EZStudRack. Today we're going to do a restroom niche. This particular wall, the other side, when we looked, it's just a closet. Second thing we look for is any electrical outlets on the opposite side. No electrical outlets. Plumbing, I don't think there's plumbing, but you never know. So I'm going to have somebody else do the work. We're going to mark our line on top. We don't want to go all the way up to the ceiling. We can, but we'll just do it to where it's just hidden right behind the door. And y'all seen me use this Dremel tool with the little zip bit on the end. Also, I recommend coming in here with the vacuum cleaner, less dusty. I tried it without, there's dust everywhere. So vacuum cleaner, I'll turn it on. Here we go. Well, we seem to be a little off. Not by much, a couple of inches. Are we hitting the stud? Where is the stud? Here, let me.
It should be right here. Let me go up.
All right, ready? Okay, so you can see here, this tool is not hitting the stud. So we're using the actual head here to ride up against the wall to get it a straight line. I will try to go all the way down and let this guy hit right here and then go across. We want to run this guy till it hits this trim right here and use that as your guide. Let this guy roll up along that, okay? Here we go, we got it moved out. Nothing there, which is good news. So now it's time to attach the EZStudRacks. Now we're gonna have to clean this up a little bit. So I get a lot of emails, questions. What exactly comes with one package of EZStudRacks? You get 8 of these guys. They're about 12 inches. They're actually 12 and 11/16, but let's just say 12 inches long. So you get about 4 foot, 3 inches of vertical storage, or you could do 2 feet here, 2 feet there, however you want to do it. No wood's included because you really don't know how wide your shelves are, how deep you want them to be. So it's just a package of EZStudRacks for an investment of $20. And you get a package of screws. Now these screws are good for going into 2x4s. Anything thinner, you're gonna have to buy shorter screws. Now, you can look at my other video, installation video over here, and go through this installation process. But in a nutshell, we basically measure the width from stud to stud, or wood to wood, 17 1/4. EZStudRack takes up about 1/4 inch plastic. So 17 1/4, you actually cut your board at 17 inches. You subtract a 1/4 inch. So one thing I like about having somebody else help with the project and trying to give them the tools to do it is I learn from them some of the things that I wouldn't even think about. For example, paint the back wall. If we paint the back wall first, then you don't have to worry about trying to paint after you install the EZStudRacks, because then that gets kind of real hard in there and it gets on the EZStudRack. So all we did is took a paintbrush width and went right down the back wall where we're going to install the EZStudRacks. That way, when it comes time to finalizing and painting, it makes it simple. There are different ways that we can install the EZStudRack. We can start way down here and start, but there's no point. Since we're going to use that little area there. Now remember, we're going to put a trim around here to clean all this up. So we're going to go all the way to the back and we're going to go to the height of that little spray can. We'll use that as the guide. So as you watch the installation videos, first we cut our wood 1/4 inch less than the width. Now remember, don't cut all your wood beforehand because this could vary. Looks like it's tighter up the top, but we always want to start from the bottom and then work our way up. Remember, the texts always go up. Again, watch the video. The first one really doesn't matter where it's gonna go as far as precise location. So I'm just going just right above this can right here. I usually do 4 screws, but for this demonstration, I'm just gonna do 2 screws. We can go in back later and install the screws. So I'm just kind of laying this out. Texts go up. I get my level, set it on top, get it level. There we go. Aim for the center of the hole. Now we work our way up. Use this board. Do a second check just in case. Yep. Perfecto. Just work my way up. Second package. So at the very top, we know that whatever we're putting up there, we know that it's only going to go up so high. So we just had some pieces that were left over. These EZStudRacks you can cut with the saw. Just when you cut it, go slow, let it melt versus trying to chip it off. But we're just going to put just these little pieces right here and then paint the rest. The camera fell. Hopefully it didn't break. All right, let's try this again. So we're gonna do this corner trim. If you look at this other video where I added the corner trim, I had to cut 2 or 3 times because I really don't know what I'm doing. But now I've learned from that one video that this trim work is a little tricky. So to give you an idea what I did is I cut, this is 11/16 by 11/16 corner trim. I cut it at 90 degrees. And then I imagined in my head where I need to be. So I went in here and I went ahead and marked the 45. It's gonna be hard to see here, but what I'm doing, I'm just marking where it needs to be. So I just marked it. You notice here I just put a mark, and I know that I've got to cut it like this. So I'm just put a mark there. Now, when I cut it on the saw, I'm gonna have to put it upside down like this to cut it. So now I got to go on the inside and mark it. And again, I double check it. Here we go, when I cut it. But I got to lay it upside down like that and cut it this way. Here we go with the cut. So I got the mark on how I want it cut. So when I put the saw, this is why I marked it all the way around, because it really gets confusing. So I need to flip this guy around to follow the mark, 45 degrees. Safety glasses. Okay, so there we have it. This is going like that. We're gonna go test fit it. Test fit. Looks like it's gonna work. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna test fit it on the bottom. Test fit down here to see if the same piece will work down here. Looks like it will. So I just need to cut one other one identical to this one. That makes it easy. While we're thinking about it, this guy goes like this. And this guy's gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna cut another one with the proper angle that's going to be needed. So then I'll just use it to start and I just mark it the same way. So that's what we do in every corner. Alrighty, we have cut the pieces. Now we're going to go in and glue them. All you need, some tape, and I just use this trim latex caulk plus silicone. And one thing I learned, whenever you want to do the end, you just squeeze it out and just use your finger and let it bulk up on the end. You just pull that little end piece off. Look at that. Just like new. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go in and just put a little bead. The good news is it's white caulk, so if it kind of squeezes out a little bit, it doesn't matter. We'll just go in and like that. Run your finger across it like that. Get some painter's tape and just tape her on up. Just to kind of hold it in place till that Glue dries up. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'll do the same thing to the bottom. Doesn't need a big bead either. Keep it in place. Do the same thing on the sides. All complete. Okay, here we go. Just waiting for caulk to dry. Look how nice it turned out. In the wall storage. Oh, look at all this storage behind the wall. We notched out this sheetrock, installed the EZStudRacks. This particular niche took about a little over a package. So we're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 EZStudRacks. A package of EZStudRacks comes with 8. This is the package and 2 more. So remember, for a little over $20, you can create all this extra storage. Check this out. You're storing toilet paper right here, right? What happens when you run out? Last thing you want to do is run out of toilet paper, right? Well, when you start running out, you can easily see that you're going to run out. And you go and purchase some more. That's another advantage of being able to see what you got. Oh, man, got toilet paper stuffed all over me.